Sometimes it becomes ideal to export a list of contacts into a spreadsheet like Excel so that it can be shared with someone outside of ACT. Let's say that our client called us yesterday to tell us that their sister company located in New Mexico has grown so large that they now need to update and maintain their own database of contacts. He would like us to provide them with an Excel spreadsheet of contacts, but only the contacts that live in New Mexico. This is an easy two-step process for us. The first thing we want to do is perform a lookup on our contacts in New Mexico, and then we'll perform an export to Excel on that lookup list. To begin, I'm going to just pay attention to this lookup pane on the left. It already identifies contact fields. So what I want to do is from the field list, I just want to locate state. And then in the contains field, I'm just going to type NM for New Mexico and click go. Okay, now we have a lookup of all contacts who are in New Mexico. Notice though that there's no email column here, and we think it might be a good idea to include email information into this export. So I need to customize the way this list appears before performing the export. There's two ways to customize the columns here. You can either click this Customize Columns button in the header, or go to the Options drop-down and choose Customize Columns. Now on this screen, the columns on the right are the fields that appear on the lists. The columns on the left are the available fields which are not visible on this list. So all I have to do really is scroll down and find the email field, click it, and then click the right arrow to move it into my list of viewed columns. I can even move it up if I want by clicking it and then clicking the Move Up button to wherever I want it to be. Once I'm happy with that layout, I'll click OK, and we'll see now my new email field shows up as a column on this list view. It's important to note that whatever you see on this screen is what will be exported to Excel, and that's why we wanted to make this column visible. So now we're ready to export. This is a really easy task to do. Just click this Export Current List to Excel button in the header, and that export will go immediately into an Excel file that's opened down below. You might want to resize some of these columns so that it looks nice for your customer, but we've shown here that exporting a list of contacts from ACT to Excel is a very straightforward and easy process. And so now we're ready to send this list to our client.